Good day, class. Welcome back. On our mathematics today, we are still on length, perimeter or rectangle. Children, say it, perimeter or rectangle. And this is our formula. The formula of what? Finding perimeter of rectangle says 2 times length plus 2 times width or breadth. Let's say it together. 2 times length plus 2 times width or breadth. Again, 2 times length plus 2 times width. This is what P stands for. Perimeter is equals to 2 times length plus 2 times width or breadth. Example. This is what? Our number one example. This is what? Area. This is what? Rectangle. Now, remember they asked us to look for perimeter of this shape. First of all, what is perimeter? Perimeter is what? The total distance of an object. Total what? Distance of an object. Here, from here, to measure, if they ask you to measure the total distance, that is, from here, if you use your tape rule, you measure from here all the whole distance of this shape. That is what is called what? Perimeter. And the formula says, perimeter of what? Looking for what? Rectangle says P is equals to 2 times length plus 2 times width. Now, in this rectangle, if you look at this shape, these two opposite sides, they are equal. That is why they say 2 times length. This is our length. If you bring length into two places, plus if you bring this side are also equal. Now, if you bring this one 2, these two times into two places, that is what the perimeter of this whole shape. Because remember, we are looking for the whole distance of this shape, which is perimeter, which says that 2 times length, that is bringing this thing into two places. If here is 7, meaning that this side too is 7, so 7 plus 7 is also the same thing as 7 times 2. That is why they say 2 times length plus the distance of this one and this. Here is what? 5. If here is 5, this and opposite, the two opposite sides are equal. So we say this plus this is the same thing as what? 2 times this. That is how we get the formula. Now, for us to apply our formula, we say perimeter is equals to our length, which is the longest side of the shape, is what? 7 cm. Is what? Remember our formula says 2. We put our multiplication sign, multiply by the length, which says the length is what? 7 cm plus 2 times what? 2 times what? We have plus 2 times width, which is what? 5. 5 what? Cm. Here we have P is equals to 2 times 7 is what? 2 times 7 is what? Good. 14 is what? 14 cm plus 2 times 5 is what? Children, 2 times 5 is what? 10. Good children, we have what? 10 cm. Here, our final perimeter is what? 14 plus 10. Remember, 14 plus 10, which is equals to, this is 14 plus 10. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So our perimeter is equals to what? 24 cm. Here, unlike our area, which have raised to power 2, this is what? Just cm, because cm plus cm is equals to cm. It's not multiply. It's only when you are multiplying that you will put your raised to power 2. So here, whenever you are getting answer of what? Perimeter, you put only what? Cm. This is our answer. Children, do you understand? Number 2 example says, this is what? Rectangle. and the what length is 5 cm, while the width is 3 cm. We applied what the formula which says 2 times length plus 2 times width or breadth. Here is our perimeter. 2 times our length is what 5 plus what 2 times our what width which says what 3, all in what cm, remember. So here we have 2 times 5 is what 10 plus 2 times 3 is what 6, all in cm. So our perimeter is equals to 10 plus 6, this is what 10, while this is what 6. We add, here is 6, bring down your 1. 0 is nothing. 0 plus 6 is what? Remains 6. We bring our 1 down. There's nothing here. So our P is equals to 16 cm. This is our final answer. Children, did you understand? Here is our class work. What is the perimeters of these objects? Number 1, this rectangle having what length 6 cm and width what 2 cm. Number 2, here is another rectangle having 5 in what length and 3. Children, study it carefully and solve your work gently. Thank you.